Every mistake felt like the end. I wanted to just give up. But then I learned something important. Mistakes are part of learning.
Comfort wins. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Trying to be perfect can keep you stuck. Just start imperfectly. Starting is often the hardest part.
Make the first step tiny.
Give yourself just 15 minutes. Small action creates momentum.
Your environment matters. Make focus easier.
You can achieve anything you set your mind to.
Stop consuming. Start doing.
You already know what to do.
One bad day doesn't mean failure. Don't turn one bad into a bad week. Forgive yourself and restart. Discipline means moving even without motivation. You're not lazy. You're stuck. Start small and move forward.